Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is your man, Coach Mike, and I'm here with a quick video to unbox my Sister Malika's Supreme Health Detox product. I can't wait to open it up. So that's why I'm doing this video right now, because we are going to open the box and see what's inside. Are you ready? Let's get to it. All right, so I'm going to take my trusty dirty knife and I'm going to open the box. You know what? The fact that she had this box in her hand, it's like, oh my goodness. Yes, it's so, I mean, this is her handwriting. It's good stuff. Anyway, I think she's amazing. I think she's an amazing person. She's so knowledgeable, and she knows a lot about these herbs, guys. She knows a lot about these herbs. You know, a lot about these herbs. So here we go. Let's open it up. Here we go. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at the wrapping. It's yellow. That's so nice. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at this. Card. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, look at that. Supreme Health with Malika Ali. Licensed nutrition, psychotherapist, plant-based nutritionist. Wow. Certified holistic health consultant. The essence of Supreme Health. Self-love. Look at that. Okay. My mission is to help clients attain supreme health by improving the function of the mind, body, and spirit through an integrated holistic healing approach. Wow. This is professional. And look at this. See that? What did I say? Look, what did I say? Happy healing to the majestic King Michael. Look at this. This is amazing. I mean, this is what you call customer service. Do you understand? This is what you call customer service. Thank you card. Wow. Assalamu alaikum. Wow, look at her hair. Oh my goodness, is her handwriting? Or is this? Look at the handwriting. Look at the handwriting. Look how, like, it's like calligraphy. Look at how. Wow. I'll read this later. But no, I'll read it now. It says, thank you so much for supporting Malika's herbal formulas. I truly appreciate it. Please know that each organic herbal remedy is specially handicrafted with love and positive vibes to help ensure an optimal healing experience. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. May Allah bless Master Muhammad continue to bless you and your beautiful family. Best of health to you all. Truly, Sister Malika Ali. Beautiful. Here's another little note. Okay, so, okay, cool. This is the instructions. You need the instructions. Wow, this is so, I'm so excited. It's like a gift box. So excited. Okay, all right, here we go. You ready? All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. All right, check it out. Look at the little tea bag. Oh. Okay, green. So got some green tea. Little bag here. This is so cheap. This is phenomenal. I expected just the detox. I didn't expect all this. This is exciting. This is really, you guys have to, like, this is exciting. Okay. Here are the detox pills. Here are the detox pills. Alright, what's that? Cascara sagrada, ginger, senna leaf, African bird pepper, garlic, barberry root bark, and caraco cafe aloe leaf. Oh, that's the aloe. Take 2 to 3 capsules before your vegetable dinner. Before your vegetable dinner for 10 days. Okay, 2 to 3. So I'll do 2 tonight. Whew, man, okay. What's this? Ooh, what is this? Supreme Dandelion Detox. Got the detox right here. Okay. Dandelion leaf, bitter orange, burdock root, yellow dock, and senna leaf. Okay. All right. Now what's this? What's this? What is this? Wait a minute. What is this? What is this? She did not do this. What's this? This is so nice. Oh, Starbucks cup. This is over delivering. This is like, what do you say? Under promise, over deliver. But this is so cool. A nice Starbucks. Is there anything in here? I got my own little Starbucks cup for my tea. Wow. This is so cool. Like, I'm really like, any more treats in here? Any more treats in here? Yeah. That's it. Wow. That's so dope. So, this is what came with my purchase of this. This. Nice little tea. Nice little touch. The dandelion. And a little cup. I dig it. And a little flyer. All right. I love it. I love it. Guys, listen. You want to go to the website, should come across the screen right here. MalikaAli.com. Go on her website. Support the sister. I want to give you a report on how the detox worked with me, and so that you guys can see, experience for yourself. You know, you can experience for yourself. But I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna do it so that start tonight. I'll give you guys an idea of what's going on. But you want to support our sister, get your detox. She got some great products. Again, go to MalikaAli.com. All right, guys, listen. Have a good night. Talk to y'all soon.